Hello everyone, so this is my new art kit, Lippan art kit. I am so excited to use this kit, and this kit is sent by my sister. So let's talk about Lippan art. So this is basically a folk art from Kutch, Gujarat, and it is a beautiful mixture of mud and mirror work to create a magical pattern on the wall of huts. The word Lippan means mud or dung. In the local dialect, it is also called calm. Traditionally, Lippan art was made in only white, but nowadays vibrant colors are being used to make unique art pieces, and I'm so excited to use this art from, and I hope you guys like this video, unboxing video, and very soon I'll share my artwork and more video related Lippan art and other art form I also share with you. So don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and thank you for watching.